Hello folks, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Tanzu TCE on Linux using your tarballs manually instead of something like Homebrew. So I'm going to actually SSH into my AWS Linux machine. And yep, there we are. So this is a Linux machine and this is basically Ubuntu 20.04. And I'm going to actually get this tarball. So this is it. Oops. So that has been downloaded. So and then I can just extract that tarball. So that is that, and then cd into the directory where it has been extracted, and then finally run install.sh, and I should be good to go. So this should quickly get done, and that's it. You have Tanzu installed, and you can actually check Tanzu version, and you have it installed. So yeah, bye bye.